Diyan naman.
Dun sila doon.
Naglalag talaga ako.
Tek na mga tapan.
Hold kayo dito. One ditang please, Scout.
Whiskey, you
Mukhang
take
hindi,
over
ano to
please.
Siege Bow Bomb Squad. Ano sila, triple lave na 7-3.
Pa-scout ako.
Naka-purity rogue.
Counter.
Naka-purity.
Mga ano, Miss Walker.
Pumasok sa loob ng castle.
Please manod ang crown.
Still mounted up sa the castle.
Counter.
Level 19 now.
Pasti din sila.
Good check, boys.
Naka Miss Walker hood ba? O assassin
Build the
yun?
mobs outside, bash the gate. Build the mobs outside, bash the gate. Ditangs, bash the gate.
Roll sila. May
Roll
head.
clap ka.
Copy, bash the gate. OC now, boys.
Might be 2 engage ah. Yan.
Bash the gate, copy.
Kasi multiple golems.
Hold. 2 golem tayo? Sino isang golem? Get ready on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now, on the gate now. Come back.
Bomb squad charging. Bomb
Yep,
squad charging.
come back. Cycle does on me.
Patayin nyo yung golem nila isa.
Namatay isang yung golem, copy.
Namatayan din tayo ng GA.
Sure.
Triple lave purity, ano. Purity.
Sabi mo lang pagka
Inching.
Defensive. Heals on Rafael. Hold. Get ready on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. Everything on the gate.
Ooh.
Come back. Cycle cooldowns on me.
sabi pag may take.
Hold. Bash the gate, boys. I need
Bomb squad on northeast.
Copy. Comes out.
Walang may hammer?
Meron ako kaso.
Hold.
Bomb squad charging again.
Yung ibang
Copy.
ditang wala bang hammer?
Anong bombs ka dyan?
Red rock ako eh.
Replay.
Sige, okay lang yun.
Yun na. No,
At ang southwest abang.
Inching.
Ano yun? The fuck?
Get ready. Fake on the gate in 3, 2, 1.
Nag-engage na sila, Robert wala.
Pa-fake. Okay,
yes
come
ba
back.
yun?
Kung nga sure eh, wala kasing witch work.
Get ready, boys. Get ready. This is going to be deep. Di nyo maabot to clampers, alright? Pa-fake ako ng clamp sa gate.
What?
Pa-fake ako clamp sa gate in 3, 2, 1. Pa-fake ako clamp sa gate. Pa-fake ako clamp sa gate. Get ready.
Wala.
Northeast over the wall, boys. Northeast over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast over the wall now. Over the wall now. Nice hit. Come back.
Yan, doon.
Cycle doon.
Bomb squad charging again.
What's that?
Northeast. Bomb squad coming. Bomb squad coming.
From where? Northeast? Ready, northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast na.
Sino nag-stop ba't?
Back.
Yung ano, mag-asama ko namatay. Si Soshin. Bro.
Hold.
Sorry, di ako nakapag-demon.
Ang inang lag kasi.
Patay din.
Wala ko kasi di kayo
Oo, nag-demon ako mag-isa.
Broken gate.
Copy. Hold.
Or nag-demon
Are they
ako.
backing up?
Yeah, second floor.
Yeah.
Net and guys.
Copy. Guards. Kill the guards first.
Darwin pa ba ako dito?
Okay. Bash the gate. Come northeast, guys. Hug the wall here. Come south. Spread. Come south. Spread kayo dito. Get ready. Pa-fake ako.
Bomb squad on northwest.
Pa-fake.
Bomb squad on
Ano
northwest.
yung helmet ng bomb squad nila?
Pa-fake.
Purity. Bomb squad coming in.
Ready. Northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest over the wall now. Fast. Come back.
Inching.
Yan, sarap.
Ay, hold on.
Magre-reset ako dyan eh. Magwa 1 of the Arcane 1 ako.
Copy.
Sa akin yung ano ni ano eh. Sige.
Hold. Get ready. Next. Northwest over the wall again. Deep northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest over the wall now. Come back. Cycle down fast. Pasabi pag inching yung bomb squad. Unahin natin yung bomb.
Engaging.
Teka, pwede ko rito.
Engage.
Come northeast. Keep pushing the gate. Come northeast, boys.
28%. 26. 20 na.
Bomb squad on northwest.
Bash the gate.
15.
Copy.
10. Six.
Bomb squad coming.
4,
Bomb squad
3,
coming.
2,
Bomb squad coming.
Get ready. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow. Kill.
Nakala ko naka-assassinod ako. Hindi pala.
Back. Cycle down.
Kinabulin.
Get ready, get ready, get ready. Shallow on the gate, ah. Hold. Walk in.
I can pull them too.
Shallow on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the gate lang. Kabak.
May blob near
May blob.
Check ko.
Copy.
Dep.
Yo, there.
Defensive.
Yo, blob southwest.
Yep, may mag-check.
Meron nag-scout na. Pa-scout na lang ng isang dito.
Yep. Step back tayo little bit.
ACC
Pineapple 14.
Step back. Ano yung Rafael?
Pineapple 14. Pineapple.
Boots out, mount up.
Pineapple na naman?
Pineapple 14.
Boots out, mount up.
Sila rin yung nakaraan. Ay, kagabi ba yun?
Come northeast.
Yung dalawa yung kalaban.
Patay yung second GE mo.
Come south. Northeast gate waste.
In combat, di makamount yung iba.
Copy. Sino dyan? Keep moving. Southeast gate waste. I mean northeast gate. Keep moving northeast gate. Go. Go.
Parang
Ano yung
dito
Rafael?
ba?
Yung mga namatay ba? Pabalik.
A15. Pineapple.
Copy.
Deja vu.
Ano yung Rafael?
Yung hit sana kanina na last dun sa may pinaka-middle ng ano.
Yeah, may
Kaya
bad.
akong bigla.
Nag-shallow lang ako.
Maingay ba yung mic ko or okay lang iwan ko na ganito?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Sino yung nawala sa party 1?
Anong nagawa natin?
Hold muna tayo. Di ko pa alam yung nangyari doon.
Isa yun na ata. 41 ba sila yun?
Tara,
Uy,
come north.
bigyan na daw
Out
yung
mo.
GM na isa.
Pascout
Para naman nangyayari.
ako.
Para alam mo mangyayari kasi dali mo.
Pascout ako.
Nandiyan na ba yung 100 arcade na namatay?
Check nyo anong nangyayari.
Preload on the way na din dito.
Dismounted yung kan. Pineapple. OC na rin. And food.
Nasa southwest sila naglalaban.
Second gate na
facing,
sila.
No one is
Kailangan nyo i-fast bash. Tapos
Second
mga
gate.
hits.
Come north.
Uy, pasabi ko nandiyan na yung 100 arcade.
Hindi, dito ako. Underarcade.
Come narrows.
Narrow down na is narrow.
Bash narrow.
Pawatch nung Zerg nung nasa loob guys.
Yeah, pabash ako na likod ko. Keep bashing.
Baka mag-move sa inyo.
Makabalik sila.
Yeah, they're going to you.
Kanan.
Secure to you now.
Come
Nasa Lord Room sila, Going Lord Room.
Copy. Come south.
Yung isa pa watch lang sa pineapple.
Kanan sila, engaging.
Defensive.
You're good.
Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow lang. Just drop shallow. Come back.
Sayang, patay na.
Sa mga PT3, keep bashing narrows.
Yeah.
Mga kami, this walker.
Go.
Catch
Hindi ko
mount,
kita
guys,
yung
catch
bomb
mount.
squad
Copy. Tell me if mag-engage yung bomb squad. Engage na natin yung bomb squad.
Nasa northwest bomb squad.
Northwest, copy.
Janelle, isang engage nga sa middle ng ano.
Copy.
Kung cooldown ka.
Come. Middle of the choke, boys.
Engaging bomb squad
Kanan.
Na stop.
Copy. Kanan room. Get ready. Middle in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke middle.
Nice kill.
Nice. Come back.
Nice.
Tayo call the sun.
Ewan ko kung gumana yun. Pero di ko na uulitin yan.
Mount. Bank squad, mount.
Di ko na
Kamas. Get ready.
Pasok, look and pasok.
Looking.
Copy. Hold.
Careful,
Get ready. On the choke point again.
Lord
Get ready.
room, nasa
Five,
Lord room yung bomb squad.
On the choke na. Everything on the choke.
From
Come
northwest, mag-hit yung bomb squad.
Sige, I'm looking at the bomb squad
Southeast
now.
wall.
Copy. Cyclical cooldowns on me. Kumusta yung pineapple pizza?
Bomb squad, stacking.
Copy.
Bomb squad hitting the other side.
Nag-hit sa kabila.
Copy.
Na-GA
Yung
sila, you
lab
can
yung
hit
south
up siguro.
west na.
Kamusta yaro? Get ready on the choke point is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke.
Yung GA.
Nice try. Come back.
30%. Yung kabilang gate na binabash, 40%.
Copy.
Babalik
Yeah,
ka.
careful northwest.
Talubong to ha.
Pineapple pizza on
Another blob,
west side.
Yo,
Pinakasag
pineapple
na rin.
broken. They inside now.
Come south is another blob. We can't afford to get flank.
Putik may isa
Mounting
pang
up, scouting.
Copy.
Dami nyo kailangan.
Immortal yun.
Nasa side ng ng
Mortal level 18.
Mortal.
Mount up.
Oh my gosh.
Come
Going around.
northeast gate again.
Stronger Zerg yan ha.
Let them kill each other.
Node. No OC yet yung Immortal
Up.
Malulugi tayo dito.
Sure.
Scouted na tayo
Yeah.
ng Immortal.
May double OC naman tayo.
Woods,
Ikaw na artist. Pa-scout pa rin ako. Continuous scouting.
Sakto lang sa
Yeah.
timer bin, sir. Pero sa fight agad. Yung food.
Hold.
Sige, extend
Immortal
pa.
sa loob natin, ah.
Sure. Everybody dismount on the gate.
Gusto mo ba i-catch yan?
Catch. Hold
Level
on.
22 now. Level 22 now.
Catch your
Immortal.
mounts. Please. Again, catch your mounts. Catch your mounts.
Sa loob pa rin yung conmin.
Kamusta yung Immortal?
Wala. Still mounted up. Not doing anything. Just
Yung
observe.
nasa ano? Aalis northwest.
Laki ng vlog niya.
Di pa sila nagsusuntukan?
Pineapple dismounted dito.
Sila na sa labas.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Baka mag-fight sila sa labas.
Hold muna tayo.
Ano naman tayo dependent dyan. Kalawakanan na sila dun sa castle.
Sim. Nagpa-fight ba sila? Pineapple.
Yeah,
and-
they're facing each other.
Tara, come
Pero wala
castle,
pang engages. Nagkakait east
Sure,
lang yung
sure.
VM.
Come castle. Kahit yung east,
Castle kayo.
pasan sila?
Dito
Oh,
front.
moving ah.
Baka.
Pineapple
Ang
dito,
ping.
pineapple.
Ang red
Baka. Mahaba pa oras, boys. Yun lang.
They were walking southeast. Still walking southeast.
Yeah. Kailangan makalayo sila sa castle.
Ah.
Baka gusto mo na magbangko dito.
Mayroon ba loot?
Habang wala
Sino
pa.
pa kayo?
Pwede
Yun
naman.
na.
Dito pa rin, pineapple.
PM,
Front,
meron
pineapple.
ding
Mounted
base.
Immortal. Nag-ano sila, nag-fight sila.
Copy. Ang ibig ko na sabihin,
Papunta sa direction natin.
sana
Fighting
palayo
ng
sa
ano,
atin.
BM.
Tara.
May-
Never mind. Counter.
Pineapple
Yeah,
dito
ba't
sa
na
big
nandito?
Yan yung face nila ng pineapple right now.
Yeah, Immortal.
Yeah, but-
Immortal na
Some of Immortal are still mounted up. Pero
Apple,
hinabol ata nila yung
Another
BM.
blob. Southwest.
Nagpa-fight sila ngayon dito sa sa ping.
Another
Sa
block.
PNE.
Southwest blob ulit ah.
Copy.
Red ping.
Immortal,
Sa
in
choke
VBS,
yan.
Immortal. Fighting Immortal papunta northwest.
Copy. Kamak.
Hindi na sila
Another
naglalaban.
Tito blob ah.
Kamak sa
MGU na support.
Kamak sa tis. Delikado yung pwesto natin. May ibig. Okay.
Doro mo,
Immortal is still 20. Level 22.
Hawak mo lang sa
Southwest,
mga
southwest,
scout mo yung mga blob.
southwest.
Come southwest. please.
Southwest.
Ito, Immortal dito. Immortal.
Hello, bank.
Immortal, naka-fast CD. Mga naka-royal jacket, realms and ano nila. Then, may Envy Bomb Squad na refill.
Come bank muna tayo, guys. Mapapa-aras natin.
Pag andito yung MGU dyan, pwede natin take yan.
Ubus din yan guys.
May humahabol ba na scout sa atin?
Wala.
Bank muna, boys. Bank
Hindi,
muna.
tama yung ginagawa ni Janel kasi
MGU
malaki
11.
chance na mag-annul yung mga yan.
MGU 11. Pwede natin take yung first.
Hindi.
Nagsasam
Ito yung MGU ah.
Copy.
Zoro.
Bank muna.
Mounting up yung BM dito.
Ayaw din nila mag, sa,
They're moving
nalilikuran
northeast.
kasi yung mag-hit sa mid.
Nawala yung Immortal. Hindi ko makita.
Come northeast na. After you bank,
Bili na
come
kayo ng bank guys kasi magagamit nyo rin
Wait.
yan sa susunod.
Come back. Pas ng magkakaiwalay na.
MGU, level 13.
Copy.
MGU
MGU where?
level 13. Probably yung blob na nasa
Tama to.
west
Hunting
side
yung
yun.
front ng MGO. Hunting.
Come northeast. Get out of there. Come northeast, then northwest. Northeast, then northwest of the choke. Northeast, then northwest of the choke. Come here.
Looking sa atin yung MGO.
Come, follow the ping. Follow the ping.
Meron northeast mo, Janela.
Sure.
Uy, huwag kayong mag-get dyan. Topper.
Follow the ping.
George, bro.
Sino eh?
Easy yan.
Topper.
Dismounted yung Immortal dito.
Following pa rin yung MGO. Following pa rin yung MGO. Sa likod.
May
Ano din na MGU?
Southwest sila ng castle.
13 to. MGO.
13.
Copy. Come north.
BM is southeast side of the castle now. They're still mounted up, but they're
Dismounted
trying to
tong
wrap
one.
around south of the castle.
Pineapple. Dismounted dito.
Yeah, Pineapple dismounted southwest of the
Following the
castle.
ping. Keep following the ping.
Nahit sila ng Immortal, big club.
Notice mo pa rin yung MGO.
Sure. Keep following the ping.
Pineapple down to level 11. D8.
Copy.
Iwalay ako. Nag-dismatch yung dito ka pa.
Sure. Keep following
Tapos
the
mo
ping.
na pwede.
Still sitting. Dumudungaw lang sa castle.
Ingat sa mga nahuli may mga rats, ang dami.
Come east then south. Dismount when you see
China.
him. Careful sa may group dungeon. Careful sa group dungeon.
Advance 14 yung MBU.
Ito backline ng pineapple.
Come north.
Oh, ba't may nag-zone ng dungeon?
Come north.
Pineapple ito, backline.
Ang daming na po pumasok.
Pineapple
Dami.
facing Immortal now.
May mga
Immortal level
naiwan dyan.
18.
Sa roof dungeon.
Hold kayo.
Down to 18 yung Immortal.
Hold.
Pineapple.
MGU,
Frontline.
nasasandwich yung Immortal with MGU at
Pineapple West?
BM.
Come back east.
Pineapple southeast side.
Come back guys.
East.
Nasa west side mo, direct yung Pineapple.
Northeast.
Now, yung nasa taas sa uphill,
May naglulok ba sa atin?
Immortal yan,
Meron.
Immortal. Tapos west niyan is MGU.
Nag-downhill sila.
Copy. Kames.
Mount top 15.
Yung Naros, by the way, Janelle.
MGU,
20
ito ha,
ano
red
lang
ping.
Ito, pineapple looking dito. Pineapple.
South mo? Pineapple.
South mo, pineapple.
Chasing yung
Likod mo.
Immortal.
Kames. Chasing sa.
Direct.
Sa atin.
Come north.
Nag-zone out agad ng ano.
Nagawa niya.
Dungeon.
Nag-southeast na sila.
Copy.
May ano.
Come
Minus
east.
2.
Nakahabol na ba yung nakapasok sa dungeon?
Hold kayo dito.
Immortal to dito, on ping.
Come dyan na. Yung pineapple. Hold kayo dito.
MG.
Karap nila Immortal tsaka Pineapple.
Come south. We're going castle, boys. Pacheck lang ako ng fight nila. Pacheck lang ako ng ano nila. We're going castles na.
Mababash na yan. Final game.
General, the defensive blocos ko muna to.
Sige lang.
Oh, may defensive locus naman.
Get ready. Pa-fake ako.
Hanap bomb squad ah.
Okay, get ready. On the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke na. Everything on the choke. Then cycle us fast. Come east. East. Heal up. Cycle us fast.
Bam.
Come north. Oh my god.
Ilan front kasi.
Hills up front. Hills on Rafael. Fast. Get ready. Shallow on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow lang. I got this wrap. Come southeast fast.
Naglalaban
Lumabas
ngayon yung MGU.
Pag lumabas ka
tsaka
na southeast, pwede mo makasalubong yung isang blab ha.
It's fine. Southeast. Cycle does on me. Come north.
Moving yung isang blab, boss.
Palapit sa atin.
Oh, boss.
You're good.
I'm good. Copy. Come north. Get ready. Papake ako. Hold. Get ready. Southwest, over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall now. Everything over the wall.
Ilogin na spread.
Baka.
Di pushing ha.
Cycle does on me. Hold, pakihold ako niyan. D-tanks pakihold ako niyan.
Engage na.
Kaya nyo i-hold yan. Come north. Hold them. Get ready. We're going to fast engage. Come north. Get ready. You're looking shallow inside of us. Yung mga D-tanks sa loob natin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside of us. D-tanks inside of us. Then come back east. Cycle does on me.
Yung club malapit na sa'yo.
Janelle.
Bomb!
Step southwest.
Sabi na.
Bam.
Galing
Preload dismounted sa labas.
Careful southeast gate.
Full out. Try to run.
Dami na wipe, boss.
Yeah, careful east. That's free loot.
MGU, boss. Oh my
53.
gosh.
Everybody, para sa mga namatay,